November, week 1, math, lesson 2, 2nd grade. Line plots. Line plots are used to show data on how it's grouped. How many pencils are 4 inches long? Look at the number line, find 4. 3, good. The X's show how many objects there are, and the number line shows the lengths. So this line plot shows the lengths in inches of some pencils, and 3 of them are 4 inches long. Excuse me, Damien, I'm in a lesson. A line plot is a graph that uses X and a number line to show data. Data is numerical information. That's information that is numbers. Information can be pictures, can be a map, can be writing, can be a lot of things. Information can be a lot of things. Down here, how can you find the total number of objects when you're reading a line plot? How can you find the total number? How can you find the total number of line plots of objects? Counting all of the X's. Good, Andrew. You can read a line plot to answer questions about data. How many worms are 2 inches long? So look at the line plot shows the length in inches of worms. Each X stands for 1 worm. Find 2. Then it's 3. 3. Good. There's 3 X's. So down here, right there are 3 worms that are 2 inches long. Now we're going to turn carefully to the next page. You can make a line plot to show data. Make a line plot to show data of sticker lengths. Here's a chart. It shows the number of stickers of each length. So you're going to make a number line from 1 to 5 inches because it goes from 1 to 5. Label the title and the number line. So it says sticker length, length in inches. Draw an X for each sticker. How many stickers are 1 inch? 2. Good job. 1, 2. How many stickers are 2 inches? 4. Wow, Caden. So you're going to make 4 X's above the 2. How many stickers are 3 inches?
1.
Only 1. Now somebody else, not Caden, answer the next one. How many stickers are 4 inches?
4.
4. Good, Jude. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stickers are 5 inches?
4. 5. 0.
0. Good, Alder. Use the sticker length line plot to answer questions. So you just made a line plot. Now we're going to ask questions, and we're going to get our information from your line plot. How many stickers are 2 inches long? Look at what you made. 4. Good, Alder. What is the length of the longest sticker?
4.
Good job, you guys. It's 4 inches because none of them are 5, right? You guys are awesome. So we're going to put 4 here. How many stickers are shorter than 3 inches?
2. 6.
Wow, Alder. So, Andrew, we have to count all of these ones. Stop when you get here, though, because those ones are 3 or more. So, only the ones that are less than 3 inches. And it is 6 X's. Alder got it. What a 6. Question 4. Abigail measured 10 butterflies. She made a table to show the measurements. Fill in the plot to match the data in the table. So here's her table, and here's the plot. We're going to do X's. Length in inches, 1. How many butterflies?
0.
It's too small. Length in inches, 2.
3.
She got 3 of those. So don't put any X's above the 1, but we're going to put 3 X's above the 2. How many did she find that are 3 inches?
2.
You guys are doing great. How many did she find that are 4 inches?
4. How long is 3 inches?
I'll show you. I don't have a ruler, but it's about like that. And then 4 inches is like that. And then 5 inches is very big. That'd be like that.
Peanut butter fly that big.
I haven't.
I have. I'm on my five.
It would have to be. I've never even. I've seen maybe 4 inches, but I don't know if I've seen 5 inches.
I've seen a 5 inch.
So how many did she find that were 5 inches?
One.
One. Because that is huge, you guys. Good job. Now you're gonna pick up your whole thing. Don't flip any pages. Just go like this. There's a little robot. Number lines can be used to show fractions. There are 4 equal parts from 0 to 1. So there are fourths, right? Between 0 and there are 3 fourths between 0 and this point. If you can't see that point, you can make it darker with your pencil. That's what I like to do. You guys see that little point they made? It's super light. I like to make it darker like this.
That can be all mine or sticky.
Do you want a new one?
Can I just start from where we are?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's fine. I'll give it to you and you can start from where we are. Ready? There. Okay. This little robot guy he tells you very important things. He says this number line between 0 and 1 is divided into fourths. Each part shows 1/4 of the whole, and the point shows 3/4. Do you guys get that? Okay. So fraction is a number line that shows part of a whole. The ones that we did before, they showed wholes. It went from 1, 2, 3, 4. Those were wholes. This one goes from 0 to 1, and then these parts are fractions. When you're modeling fractions on a number line from 0 to 1, how do you know which number to use as the denominator? That's the number on the bottom. How did they know to put 4 on the bottom?
Because it was 4 fourths.
4 parts. Good, Alder. Always look at how many parts, and then you'll know what to use for the denominator. You can show a fraction on the number line. Draw a point to show 3/6 on that number line. So first, the denominator is 6. Find how many equal parts from 0 to 1. Let's count them. Put your finger here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it is 6. You always should check, okay? And then find what fraction each part shows. So each part would be what? 1 what?
6.
Yes. Ooh, I love it.
7.
It's 1/6. 1/6.
2.
No, Jude, you're not counting the lines. Don't count the lines. You're counting the parts between the lines. I'm glad you said that. Do you all get what he said? He counted the little lines.
Don't count the lines.
The
Count
lines
the
are to
space in
show
between
you
the lines.
where each part stops and the next part starts. That's all the lines are. But the parts are these spaces. Get it? So did you all put each part shows 1/6? And by the way, Alder came up with that. Okay,
Where do I put it?
right there on this line. The numerator is 3.
Where do I put it?
6 underneath. 6
That's a little hard spatially for Jude, so if you could put the line, that would be great. Yeah, let her just move the line, Jude. It's hard, huh? The numerator is 3. Which number is the numerator in a fraction? Is it on top or on the bottom? It's on top. Yeah. The denominator's down. That's how you can remember it. Denominator down, and then the numerator's on the top. So it says the numerator is 3. So count 3 parts from 0. So start at the 0 and go 1, 2, 3, and make a blob. halfway, isn't it? And draw a point on the number line. Jude, did you go? Start at the 0, buddy. So go 1, 2, 3. Make a block. That's 3/6. It's halfway to the whole. Okay, now what I want you to do is carefully take the page, not the whole packet, and flip the page. We might stop at the end of this page. Okay? If you're paying as good of attention as you are, I'm going to say we're done at the bottom of this page. You can show a fraction on the number line. Show the fraction 5/8 on the number line. So, ready guys, put your finger on this little 1. 1. The denominator is 8. Right? Denominator down. Find how many equal parts from 0 to 1. Make sure it's 8. Count from 0 and put your finger in each part. 8. 8. You guys have little fingers. I had to use my pinky, but you guys could probably use your bigger fingers. Next, 2. Find what fraction each part shows. What does each part show? Not Aldrin. Yes, who said that? 8. Good, Andrew. Each part shows 1/8. Right? The numerator. Okay, don't distract me with that. The numerator. You guys, in a fraction, the denominator is on the bottom, the numerator is up on top, okay? The numerator is 5, so count 5 parts from the 0. So start at the 0 and go first part,
1, 2,
2, 5, and make a block. That's the end of your 5th part. Draw a point on the number.
a block.
Yep. Did you draw it at 5/8, everybody? Good. We're almost done. Marcus says the point on this number line shows the fraction 5/6. Is he correct? Explain. You guys see that block? So, Andrew says yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes. Alexis says, good, he is. Good job, you guys. You all said he is correct. Yes, he is. Now we have to say why. Ready? You have to write. There are 6 equal parts.
Here you go, start.
No, you start, because I have to write a little more. And the 5th one is, should we say blob?
Yeah.
Blob. What a funny word. So I can ghostwrite, and Miss Lanaday can too if anybody needs ghostwriting. Did you guys hear me talking to the older kids about if you're able to explain your thoughts, what kind of job you get later in life? A good one, yeah. People who can explain technical things and to other people, they're usually the boss.
On the trade, they scare me all the time.
Older's using it so you can talk to him after, okay, honey? I'm sure he'll say yes. Or no. He might say yes. But not in the middle of the lesson, okay? So it's so important to be able to use words to tell other people how to do stuff. If you can do that, you'll be the boss. A lot of people can't do that, right? Even my husband, Bruce, who I love, he has a hard time explaining stuff to me. He can do it. He can do it, but he can't explain it to me. We are gonna go to this last part. So if you're not done, go ahead and put your pencil down because I promise I'll let you finish writing at the end. I promise. Pinky promise. Ready? Show the fraction on the number line. 1/3. Where's it gonna go, guys?
Right there.
Right there. Good. Over. 1/3 goes there. 2/3 would go there, right? But 1/3 goes there. Okay, the next one. Much harder. 4/6. 4/6.
4.
Andrew found it. You're gonna put your finger and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6. And now go to the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's the middle.
It's actually past the middle. It's the one past the middle.
Wait, we have that on the wrong one.
Yeah, there you go, Older. That's it. Right there. Last one. 3/8. Let's count if it's 8s.
Right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Right here.
6, 7, 8.
Right here.
Third one. Good. 1, 2, 3.
Here.
And that's the end of the middle.
This line doesn't count.